Many who visit Kahoolawe say the island has a strong spiritual component that often calls them back.
You got a chance to learn that firsthand.
Right, after a recent visit.
What if I told you that there are places on Earth so dangerous, so mysterious, that governments have literally wiped them from maps? Places where ancient secrets lie buried, where modern military powers conduct their darkest experiments, and where stepping foot could mean disappearing forever. Today, we're venturing into the shadows to uncover forbidden locations that history desperately wants to keep hidden. The Darien Gap, nature's deadliest corridor. Deep in the heart of Central America lies one of the most treacherous frontiers on Earth, the Darien Gap. This 100-mile stretch of absolute hell forms the missing link in the Pan-American Highway. Where the road ends, nightmares begin. Spanning from southern Panama into northern Colombia, this brutal terrain has swallowed countless souls who dared to cross its boundaries. The dense jungle conceals criminal organizations that thrive in this lawless void. There are no roads, no rescue teams, no second chances. The air itself reeks of danger. Flash floods appear without warning, turning peaceful streams into raging torrents. Poisonous snakes slither through the undergrowth, while murky rivers hide predators that have claimed more victims than any official record documents. The indigenous tribes who call this place home speak of ancient paths once used by wildlife moving between continents, paths that now serve as highways for human trafficking and drug cartels. What makes the Darien Gap truly forbidden isn't just its natural hazards, it's the complete absence of law, order, and hope. This is where civilization ends, and survival becomes the only currency that matters. Kola Peninsula, Russia's Arctic fortress. In the frozen wasteland of northern Russia, a military transformation is happening that has NATO commanders losing sleep. The Kola Peninsula has become a high-stakes battleground where the world's superpowers watch each other with deadly intent. Here, underground missile storage bunkers are being constructed at breakneck speed. Each facility is an impenetrable fortress, shielded by layers of barbed wire and guarded by armed checkpoints. These house Russia's most devastating nuclear weapons. The feared Bory-class submarines lurk beneath these Arctic waters, armed with Bulava missiles capable of reaching any target across the globe. As the Northern Fleet prepares its newest arsenal, this isn't just about defending borders, it's about controlling the Barents Sea and sending a clear message to NATO countries like Norway. Entering this realm isn't just trespassing, it's potentially sparking World War III. The Kola Peninsula represents the modern face of forbidden territory, where military secrets and geopolitical tensions create a powder keg that could reshape the world order. Cueva de los Toyos, Ecuador's golden mystery. Hidden within the shadowy jungles of Ecuador lies a cave system so steeped in forbidden lore that it reads like an Indiana Jones adventure. Cueva de los Toyos, the cave of the oil birds, harbors secrets that challenge everything we think we know about human history. This sprawling underground world features a jaw-dropping 65-meter-deep shaft that plunges into 4.6 kilometers of winding passages and vast chambers. Local tales speak of a mysterious golden library filled with gleaming books, inscribed with hieroglyphs, allegedly left behind by lost civilizations or extraterrestrial visitors. In 1976, one of the most ambitious expeditions ever mounted descended into these depths. The team included former astronaut Neil Armstrong himself. What they discovered was both remarkable and frustrating. Ancient burial sites dating back to 1500 BCE and meticulously carved passageways that suggested sophisticated engineering knowledge, yet the fabled treasure trove remained elusive. The Golden Library, if it exists, continues to hide somewhere in the labyrinthine depths. The cave's forbidden nature isn't just about physical danger. It's about the potential to rewrite human history or confirm that we are not alone in the universe. Kahoolawe, Hawaii's scarred island. Beneath the radiant Hawaiian sun lies an island that tells a story of destruction and forbidden access. Kahoolawe, a tiny volcanic outcrop just 11 kilometers southwest of Maui, carries wounds that modern Hawaii desperately wants to heal. Once revered as the physical embodiment of the sea god, this sacred land was dotted with ancient stone platforms and petroglyphs. But this peaceful existence was shattered when the U.S. military transformed the island into a relentless bombing range during World War II. For decades, Kahoolawe endured thousands of explosions that scarred its basaltic lava flows. The dry, eroded red landscape became a haunting testament to modern warfare's destructive power. Every bomb that fell obliterated centuries of cultural heritage and spiritual significance. In the 1970s, activists staged daring landings to reclaim this desecrated land. Their efforts eventually succeeded. Today, Kahoolawe is designated as a cultural reserve, off-limits to commercial development, and reserved solely for native Hawaiian purposes. The island serves as a stark reminder of what happens when sacred places are treated as disposable testing grounds. Pluto's Gate, Turkey's deadly portal. In a quiet corner of modern-day Turkey lies one of history's most bizarre and forbidden places. Pluto's Gate, the plutonium at Hierapolis, isn't just an archaeological site. It's a natural death trap that has claimed lives for over 2 millennia. This ominous cage spews toxic gases so potent that even the air itself becomes a deadly weapon. Ancient worshippers believed this was the literal gateway to the underworld, where the god Pluto held court over the dead. The gas, still potent enough to suffocate birds today, was believed to be Pluto's own breath. The site became twisted ancient entertainment. Visitors could pay to witness animals thrown into the cavern, only to watch them emerge lifeless moments later. But the most disturbing aspect was the priests who served this deadly shrine. These servants of Pluto deliberately entered the cave to demonstrate their supernatural protection, creating a legacy of ritual deaths and eerie miracles. When Christianity spread through the region, the gate was sealed, but its forbidden charisma only grew stronger. The dark history continues to ignite imaginations about the secrets it once guarded, secrets that remain locked behind its crumbling facade. Kolmanskop, Namibia's diamond ghost town. In Namibia's unforgiving Namib Desert stands a striking testament to human ambition and abandonment. Kolmanskop was once a booming diamond mining town built in grand German colonial style, boasting everything from a hospital and ballroom to Africa's first tram system. Named after a transport driver who lost his ox wagon during a fierce sandstorm, this town exploded into prosperity when diamonds were discovered in 1908. Settlers flocked here, building private railways that connected Kolmanskop to distant towns. For a brief moment, this desert outpost rivaled European cities in luxury. But as World War I depleted the local diamond fields and richer deposits were discovered elsewhere, Kolmanskop's glory faded. The town's streets were gradually swallowed by relentless sand, creating an eerie landscape of half-buried mansions and desert-gulfed homes. Today, this ghostly beauty attracts explorers and photographers, but accessing this once flourishing jewel requires special permits due to its location in a restricted diamond area. Walking through Kolmanskop's sand-filled rooms is like stepping through a time portal, where luxury and abandonment create an atmosphere that's both beautiful and deeply unsettling. These forbidden places remind us that our world still harbors secrets that governments, nature, and history itself seem determined to keep hidden. From military installations that could reshape global power to ancient caves that challenge our understanding of human civilization, these locations represent the ultimate frontiers of human curiosity and danger. Some are forbidden by law, others by nature's own deadly design, but all share one common thread: they hold truths that someone, somewhere, desperately wants to keep buried. These places continue to captivate our imagination precisely because they remain off-limits. The next time you look at a map, Remember that the blank spaces in restricted zones might be hiding the most extraordinary secrets our planet has to offer. Just remember, some doors are meant to stay closed. If you found these forbidden places as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden mysteries from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring, just maybe not these particular places.